Alrighty guys, what's up? Little C coming back at you again with a video. Today, I've got one of these Topps Chrome jumbo boxes. So it comes with exclusive rookie cards. You get 10 rookie cards plus 1 exclusive rookie relic, including 14 packs of Topps Chrome. So, hopefully we can get something cool. We're guaranteed a throwback patch. So hopefully we can get something cool. So let's check it out. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Okay. Okie dokie. So let's get crack-a-lackin' and see if we can pull anything cool. It's Chrome, so we're looking for some numbered cards, maybe. So we do get a good lot of packs in here. So let's check it out. So this is going to be our 60th anniversary rookie relic. So we'll save that till the end, and then our 10 exclusive anniversary cards. But let's get into these packs. One of the things about Topps Chrome, they're super easy to open, which I kind of like. So, oh yeah, gotta love the Chrome. Big Ben, Jordy, and Josh Robinson. Next pack. Got Des Bryant, Jamal Charles, Alshon Jeffrey, and Chris Conley, rookie. Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson, Antonio Gates, and Jalen Collins. Got Eli, Vontae Davis, Golden Tate, and Jalen Strong. Let's try to open it this side. I can't get the pack open. There we go. Finally got the pack open there. We got Alex Smith, Martavius Murray, Brandon Cooks, and Vic Beasley. Jeremy Maclin, Jay Cutler, Andy Dalton, and Matt Jones. Rookie. Eric Decker, Arian Foster, AJ Green, and the Tyler Lockett, rookie. Deshaun Jackson, Clay Matthews, Matt Forte, and a rookie. Next pack. Oh. Cam Newton, Demarius Thomas, Andrew Luck, and a Duke Johnson, rookie. Nice, we got a Bronco. LaShawn McCoy, Odell with the catch, Richard Sherman, and Nelson Aguilar. We're down to 2 packs left. Maybe we can get something cool. Tom Brady, Justin Houston, And a Nick O'Leary or a camo to $4.99. Not bad. Nice, we got a numbered card. And TJ Clemmings. So we are down to 3 packs left. Patrick Peterson, Lamar Miller, Nick Foles, and Josh Harper. Last 2 packs before we get to the 10 exclusive anniversary rookie cards and the relic. Bobby Wagner, Ryan Tannehill, Greg Olsen, and Lorenzo Boudier in a huddle card. And the final pack of the normal packs, I guess you could kind of say, before we get into the exclusives. Devonta Freeman, Percy Harvin, Julian Edelman, and Anthony Goodley. So nice. We got a nice stack of base. We're going to open the 10 anniversary rookie cards. Up. Got Bryce Petty, David Johnson, Amir Abdullah, Brett Hundley, Mike Davis, Tevin Coleman, Dorial Green-Beckham, Kevin White, Leonard Williams, and Ty Montgomery. Nice. Alright, so let's see what our 60th anniversary rookie relic is. Open it slowly. Ooh, Marcus Mariota. Nice. Not a bad card right there. Marcus Mariota. Throwback jersey card. Super nice. Yeah. Try to get it in a... Not a bad jersey card at all. So... quickly just want to get this in a top loader. Nice. Marcus Mariota. And then we also got, for a little recap really quick, we got a Nick O'Leary, numbered to $4.99. I got one of these boxes a while ago, and I got this out of 25, and I believe I still have that, so that's pretty cool. So I can add that in there. And the 60th anniversary cards, and we got ourselves a nice stack of base, and I'm working on the set so we could see if these could go in there. So thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace. #BrandTossFootballback.